Ah, okay.
So while waiting for the informations
Here
for
na
our
lang.
last topic, significance of artworks. No? Other term and significance, importance. How are arts give values to our life? Ano ang natutulong ng arts forms sa atin para masabi siyang significant? Tignan nyo ha. Ano ba matitigan ng ano yung pinagkainan? Think of an idea, what are the significance of arts?
Oh, I want to go home. I want to go home, guys.
Asa na yun? May
11:25 yan.
Aga pa. Hindi ko ya. 11:35 uwian namin. Nagla-lesson pa siya. Eh, pa-time na. Nakakainis. Dapat di na yun. Oh, what the fuck? Hoy, Ashnel. Ashnel. Morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
You want to come and sign you out? Ganyan dati. Last subject cutting classes. O hindi ah. Minsan noon.
Ay, Carmela, bigay mo kay Marlon.
Alam mo ba?
Alam niya.
Uy, I want summer, guys. Pwede nyo ba akong bigyan ng summer? Can you give me someone summer, guys? Or maybe kiss me? Oo, gutom na nga ako. I'm hungry. I want some kiss me, guys. Okay, EDM. EDM. Already done. Down by the river. I don't want to do that. Bigyan mo ng pera kahit hindi ako papayag. Ayoko. Guys, can you give me some summer? Sige na pabawas nyo na to Sige na please. Please. Malapit na ang kotahan. Hindi pa ako nakakota. Tsaka wala pa akong top 1. I don't have any top 1. Look at my lesson quota. Alam nyo ba, last month, I didn't reach my quota. So bad. So bad. Laki pa ng kulang eh. 3K more. Like that.